You're here early today.
Yes, I wanted to finish shopping before it gets crowded.
That's a good idea. Most people come after office hours.
I can imagine. It's already hectic these days.
What do you need today?
Just basic things for the week: flour, rice, and some vegetables.
Prices have gone up again, especially flour and cooking oil.
I noticed that everywhere. Even small things feel expensive now.
True, customers complain, but what can we do?
I understand. Everyone is under pressure these days.
How much flour do you want?
5 kilos should be enough for now.
Do you want the regular brand or the cheaper one?
The regular one is fine. Quality matters at home.
Alright. Anything else?
Yes, add some lentils and sugar.
Sugar prices are unstable these days.
I heard that. Just give me 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. These items are too much to carry by hand.
Your total comes to 3,200.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you, and take care while going out.
I will. See you next time.